Hello, my name is Rob Lillywhite and I'm a Senior Research Fellow here at Warwick Crop Centre. This short film will explore work that is underway at the Crop Centre to examine fuel crops and their alternatives for use in anaerobic digestion and the production of biogas in the UK. The digestion of biogas is regarded as a renewable energy source, as the crop can be produced year after year after year and is not considered a finite material. The most common fuel crop in the UK is forage maize. That's this crop here, and that is predominantly for two reasons. It has good biomass and good biogas yield potential, and farmers are familiar with its production. However, it is an annual crop and therefore requires growing from seed every year, and this makes it very energy intensive. Its cultivation and its harvesting are known to take a toll on soil quality, and also it's not regarded particularly highly in terms of its biodiversity habitat. However, there are alternatives. The crop behind me, this crop here, is cup plant, which is native to the American prairies. This is a perennial plant, meaning that it doesn't require sowing every year but will grow back every year after harvested. This means that the inputs are far reduced in comparison to forage maize. It requires less energy in its cultivations, although the harvesting energy is about the same. There are other aspects, other advantages that it offers. First of all, this crop has had no pesticides of any sort, so it's had no insecticides and it's had no herbicides and no fungicides. In terms of its benefits to the environment and its reduced costs, it looks to offer advantages over forage maize. As an annual crop, forage maize is generally drilled when the soil is warm enough, and that's normally late April or early May. But by this time, cup plant, being a perennial, has grown away very quickly. Today is the 22nd of July and this crop is ready to harvest, whereas a comparable forage maize crop will require at least another 2 months' growth before it's ready to harvest. In summary, cup plant looks to offer comparable yields and biogas yields to forage maize, but it also offers a number of significant advantages. The first of these is in terms of energy. Its cultivation is less. It requires less pesticides, it requires less fertilizers, it requires less cultivations. So in terms of energy intensity, it's far more efficient than forage maize. A minor benefit is timing. The crop can be harvested long before the forage maize, so can split labour over the farm. And finally, in terms of biodiversity, it has far higher value than forage maize.